Yeah, Max, this is the total number of cases just Thursday and Friday. Right now, the state is averaging 7,654 cases per day over the past week. That's the highest 7-day average since the start of this pandemic. As we take a closer look, here in West Michigan, we're adding to the surge, averaging more than 2,200 cases per day. But the vast majority of these are among unvaccinated people, and health officials are urging them to get their shots ahead of the holidays. And if they've done that already, get their boosters. As Michiganders gear up to gather for the holidays, health officials are urging people to be cautious as Michigan finds itself leading the nation in COVID transmission rates.
It is critical that as we gather for holidays, visit with friends, go to work, and other places in our communities, that we all take steps to protect ourselves and avoid another surge in the coming weeks.
The state health department now issuing an advisory asking everyone over the age of 2 to wear masks indoors, urging businesses and schools to adopt mask policies as well.
This face mask advisory takes effect immediately and remains in effect until further notice.
The latest rise in cases mirrors the surge Michigan saw last fall, taxing healthcare workers and hospital systems. But what we didn't have last fall were vaccines, the best protection against the virus. And right now, the majority of severe COVID cases continue to be among unvaccinated people.
This is our data as of a few days ago. And as you can see here, of all of our inpatients across our 14 hospitals, 86% who have a diagnosis of COVID-19 are unvaccinated. In our ICUs, 90% are unvaccinated, and on ventilators, 97% are unvaccinated. Further, those patients who are vaccinated are significantly older and have many more comorbidities.
Health officials say vaccines are the key to having a normal holiday season and are urging everyone to get their shots or their boosters if they are 6 months out from being vaccinated. West Michigan ER Dr. Rob Davidson tweeting, "Get your booster as soon as you can." The only breakthrough cases he's seen in the ER the past few weeks were from, quote, folks who had their second dose more than 6 months ago.
Really?
That's all it is.
That's all it was?
Everyone 18 and up are now eligible to get boosters after both the FDA and the CDC gave them the green light on Friday.
Well, my recommendations to Americans to celebrate safely is get vaccinated as soon as you can. Obviously, if you're not vaccinated, you're in a situation where you're more vulnerable to getting infected. But for the people who are vaccinated, the people who can get boosted, enjoy your holiday season with your family, indoors, grandparents, children.
Now, the state did hit a milestone last week with about 70% of people receiving at least one shot of the vaccine or the first dose. But in many places where cases are rising more rapidly, there's a common theme, like in Ionia County, where those numbers, the vaccination ones, are falling short of the target. Live in the studio, Aaron Parsegian, Fox 17 News.